Weekend. Is the weekend important to people? Definitely, weekend is the time for people to loosen up and enjoy their free time with their friends or family. Do you think that people should work on weekends? It depends. If people are in the tertiary industry, they have to work on weekends. For example, when people are waiters or waitresses, they need to work. Doctors should have the same responsibility as well. Do you think people should get more money if they work on weekends? I believe so. If people work on weekends, they can't stay with their family. They deserve higher pay. Which day do you like more? Saturdays or Sundays? Like most people, I prefer Saturdays because on that day, I don't have to get up early. I also stay up late Saturday night, and I have another day free. What do you often do on that day? I surf the internet for some news, and then I will go to the gym to do weight training. Sometimes I have meals with my friends. Do you think that people will spend more money on weekends? I guess so. People spend money shopping on weekends, buying daily necessities. Young people visit their parents, and they spend money buying fruit or some nutritional products for their elders. As the weekend approaches, we feel relaxed. People spend their weekends in their own ways. Whatever is the way we choose to spend our weekend, the main objective of ours remains the same: to be happy and feel relaxed. To reach out this goal, many plan for an outing, many go for shopping, and many just sit to idle in front of the TV. If you don't feel like going for a walk early in the morning or going to the gym, then you can compensate that with doing some other interesting job. Yes. You can do some gardening or help your husband or wife in cleaning the kitchen or the whole house. Some people take care of their houses, cars, or gardens. They sleep late in the morning. They enjoy the feeling that the time seems to move more slowly. The week is for things you have to do. The weekend is for things you want to do. Some people may get in a car and go for a drive in the country. In a town in Indiana, there is a Saturday night custom called cruising. Cruising means to spend the evening driving your car slowly up and down the town's main stream. Cruising means to spend the evening driving your car slowly up and down the town's main street. People have a cruising talk from car to car. They exchange greeting strokes and friendly insults. Cruising is the most popular in small towns where there is not much else to do. They like to take part in the sports activity outdoors. And on Saturday night, they might go to a public eating place or a cinema. Anything and everything can happen on Saturday night. People go dancing. They visit friends and parties. They drink too much. They sleep, watch TV, and so on. Many people spend the Saturday night at home with friends. They have dinner together. Maybe they watch a movie on a video cassette recorder. Half the Americans will be glad to trade a paid workday for an extra day of free time. The only thing wrong with the weekend, the Americans think, is it does not last longer. Thanks for watching.